Hey, have you ever used RPM for package management in Linux?
Yes, I have. It's a powerful tool for managing software packages on Red Hat-based systems.
That's great. What makes RPM so important?
RPM is an open-source package management utility that allows users to install, update, remove, query, and manage software packages in Unix/Linux operating systems. It specifically deals with packages built in the .rpm format.
I see. What are some key facts about RPM?
Some key facts about RPM are that it's free under the GPL, maintains package information in /var/lib/rpm, and exclusively deals with .rpm files, containing vital package details.
What are the RPM commands, and how do they operate?
RPM commands operate in 5 modes: install, remove, upgrade, verify, and query. These modes enable various tasks related to package management.
Where can we find RPM packages?
RPM packages can be found on sites like rpmfind.net, redat.com, freshrpms.net, and rpm.pbone.net, offering a wide range of packages for download.
Can you show me some examples of RPM commands in action?
Sure, let's start with checking package signatures before installation with rpm checksig package.
How do we install an RPM package?
To install an RPM package, use rpm-ivh package. Checking dependencies before installation is crucial.
What if we need to forcefully install an RPM package without checking dependencies?
Use nodeps with rpm-ivh package to forcefully install an RPM package without checking dependencies.
How do we verify if an RPM package is installed?
Verify if an RPM package is installed with rpm-qa package.
How do we view files of an installed RPM package?
To view files of an installed RPM package, use rpm-ql package.
What if we need to list recently installed RPM packages?
List recently installed RPM packages with rpm-qa last.
How do we get a complete list of installed RPM packages?
For a complete list of installed RPM packages, use rpm-qa.
How do we upgrade an RPM package?
Upgrade an RPM package with rpm of package.
What if we need to remove an RPM package?
Remove an RPM package with rpm-evv package.
How do we forcefully remove an RPM package without checking dependencies?
Use nodeps with rpm-evv package to forcefully remove an RPM package without checking dependencies.
What if we need to find out which package owns a specific file?
Find out which package owns a specific file with rpm-qf file.
How do we get information about an installed RPM package?
Get information about an installed RPM package with rpm-chi package.
What if we need to check the package information before installation?
Before installing a package, check its information with rpm-qip package.
How do we list available documentation for an installed package?
List available documentation for an installed package with rpm-qdf file.
How do we verify a package?
Verify a package with rpm-vp package.
What if we need to verify all installed RPM packages?
Verify all installed RPM packages with rpm-va.
How do we import and list GPG keys?
Import GPG keys with rpm-import key file, and list all imported GPG keys with rpm-qa gpg pubkey star.
What if the RPM database is corrupted?
In case of a corrupted RPM database, rebuild it with cd/var/lib, rm__db*, and rpm rebuild.
Thanks for the informative overview of RPM and its commands.
You're welcome. Explore these commands to enhance your Linux package management skills.